Israel's Supreme Court is due to rule on an order that would force dozens of aid agencies to stop their operations in Gaza and the occupied West Bank. The humanitarian organizations are set to lose their licenses under new Israeli rules. If the court upholds the order, the agencies will be blocked from sending in vital supplies or international staff.
Doctors Without Borders has been a key provider of medical services to the people of Gaza since the war began, through its field hospitals and this clinic in Rimal in the center of Gaza City. But this week, its international staff have to leave Gaza.
I think this part is really quite distressing and frustrating because unfortunately our work here is not done at all. And we have been in the Gaza Strip operating for more than 20 years. And at the moment that is the most needed, we have to leave and decrease activities.
In December 2025, Israel announced a ban on international NGOs that don't comply with the new registration process. It claimed the rules are aimed at preventing Hamas and other militant groups from infiltrating aid organizations. In a statement, Israeli authorities say the message is unequivocal. Humanitarian aid is welcome, terror under the guise of humanitarianism is not. Many aid organizations have chosen not to renew the registration, allowing them to operate in Gaza, as they deem rules arbitrary and contrary to international law. They say it violates humanitarian principles, specifically neutrality and independence. The new rules require organizations to register the names of their Palestinian employees and provide details about funding. Authorities can also revoke the organization's license if they are seen to delegitimize the state of Israel, target Israeli soldiers with legal campaigns, or if they are seen to deny the atrocities of October 7th.
We know that, of course, Israeli authorities, they are not happy about MSF has described the situation on the ground, used the just genocide word, etc. So this is why we decided that we'll not go till the end of the registration process.
Many aid organizations say the new regulations aim to further tighten Israeli control over Gaza. Israel claims that the decision would have only limited impact on the ground. Some international NGOs are allowed to continue working alongside UN agencies and Palestinian NGOs. During the Gaza war, the UN says over 580 humanitarian workers were killed.
The issue is not only the staffing, the international staff who used to come to Gaza, whether physicians or technicals that were used to help and to save the lives of the hundreds, tens of thousands of people, but also the supplies. Israel denied this and the entry of the supplies for MSF and other agencies, organizations who were deregistered according to the Israeli new system, which is a grave violation to the humanitarian principles, to the international law.
Doctors Without Borders says their staff will leave the Strip by the end of month deadline, leaving Gazans more isolated than ever.